Hi folks, welcome to a new vlog. I am Devanshi, that's Valika. Valika, say hi. And we are creating some interesting content for you. In this video, we are going to talk about how can you create extremely creative content by just thinking out of the box, exactly where we are. So the first way that you could do is that think beyond what you have seen, maybe in reels, maybe in videos, think beyond that. Second, to create good content, you need a good script. Focus on that script first. I'll give you an example. We've come here to shoot some videos, but before that, we actually worked on the scripting of it. And the third thing, focus on pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. After creating something, edit it out and then shoot it. And with these, you can actually bring in storytelling, memes, interesting facts into your writing, and you can create a wonderful, wonderful video. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who creates content for social media and who is looking out for someone who can guide them with content creation. We're also coming up with a 4-week content writing crash course. Do not forget to register for that. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!